Today, we're diving into the controversial world of Andrew Tate, covering his businesses, legal issues, and the controversies that surround him. Let's get started. Who is Andrew Tate? First, who is Andrew Tate? Known for his lavish lifestyle and bold statements, Tate is a former professional kickboxer turned entrepreneur and social media influencer. He gained fame through his career in kickboxing and later through his online presence. Business ventures. Andrew Tate has a variety of business interests. Let's break down a few of them. Hustlers University. This is one of his well-known ventures. It's an online course that claims to teach people how to make money through various means, including investing and entrepreneurship. However, it has faced criticism for its content and business practices. Casino partnerships. Tate is also involved in casinos in Romania, which he often highlights on social media. These ventures have raised questions about the legality and ethics of his operations. Social media influence. He also makes significant income through platforms like YouTube and TikTok, where he monetizes his influence and persona. His bold and often controversial statements have attracted a large following. Controversies and crimes. Now, let's look into the darker side. Andrew Tate has faced numerous controversies and legal challenges. Allegations of misconduct. There have been serious allegations against him, including accusations of human trafficking and other criminal activities. These allegations have sparked investigations and widespread media coverage. Social media backlash. His online persona is equally controversial. He often makes statements that attract backlash, including misogynistic and inflammatory comments. These have led to debates about the impact of his views on his audience and the broader public. Public reaction and consequences. Public reactions have been mixed. Some defend him, arguing that he's misunderstood, while others condemn his actions and statements. The controversies surrounding him raise questions about the influence of social media figures and the potential risks of following their advice. In conclusion, Andrew Tate remains a polarizing figure. His businesses and controversies paint a complex picture, raising important questions about influence, ethics, and responsibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the world of finance and influencers.